self-publishing, you probably don't think about yearbooks, but why not? Yearbooks are the perfect project to print on demand, and we're going to give you a few reasons why this week on Lulu University. The yearbook. Remember flipping through all of those great times and awkward photos? And for me, looking at most popular, most likely to succeed, best ever in class, those are all great memories. But what about anything that happened after Christmas? All that stuff is left out. So prom, all your spring sports, that time I won that soccer game by scoring that goal. No, that never happened. But if it did, it would have gotten cut out and put in the next year. So with print on demand, you're working on your own timeline to create your yearbooks. So with a lot of traditional yearbook publishers, you have to have all of your finalized Photoshop files and all of your pages done by pretty much early year. So January, February, you're kind of getting all that stuff ready to go. But when you print on demand, you can include all of the memories from that year. So that weird prom dress that you wore in 2018 can be in your yearbook reflecting 2018. So those are just some of the benefits of working on your own timeline with print on demand. Another advantage to using print on demand to create your yearbooks is that you can order them on a rolling basis. So this can be really great for schools because you don't have to play the guessing game of how many students are ordering a yearbook and how many are really going to want one when they come in. So you can place an initial order with print on demand, and then as students change their mind or want more quantities, or because you made the best yearbook in the world and everyone wants to buy one, you can continue taking orders on a one-off basis as long as you want. So this can be great for upfront costs, but it can also help to generate revenue on a continual basis throughout the school year. It's no secret that yearbooks can cost an arm and a leg. Typically, yearbooks can come in at around $50 per copy. So if you have more than one kid in school and you don't want to play favorites, you might want to look for an alternative route to sourcing your yearbooks. So for a kind of standard format, a lot of yearbooks we see are 8.5 by 11 hardcover. So for an 8.5 by 11 hardcover, 160-page yearbook that is full color, that's going to come in at $34.35 per book on Lulu Express, and that's for our premium color. And so for our standard color, it's about $15.95 per unit. So those are some pretty good price differences and something definitely worth exploring if you're looking to save some money with your yearbook costs. So we said that was the sort of standard format for yearbooks. But with print on demand, you don't have to stop there. You can try out a ton of different formats and sizes, binding types, color options. So with print on demand, it's a really great way to see what format is really going to fit your school and your year the best. Another great advantage of using print on demand to work on your yearbook is that you can print proof copies along the way so there aren't any surprises at the end of the project. If print on demand sounds like the right choice for your school's yearbook, here are a couple things that you should know when you're getting started. So first up, print on demand. So every book that is printed on demand means exactly that it's printed as the book is ordered. So for big quantities or for ordering for a school, it's important to understand the timeline of print-on-demand books. It is 3 to 5 business days to print the book, and then about 2 to 6 days to ship, depending on what shipping method you choose. For bulk orders, we lean closer towards the 5 business days for printing, so be sure to add that in and then include however many additional days it'll take for the shipping. So if you're ready to use print-on-demand to make your yearbook and you would like to use Lulu to do so, we thank you. And here are some best practices to get you started. So what you're going to want to do is 8.5 by 11 is a very standard format for your book, so that's a good place to start. You're going to want to look at our 80-pound coated premium papers. That'll give you that photo book quality, so that's another great thing to check out. If you're going to order 100 or more, you're going to want to talk to our bulk specialist, Jake. He's very friendly and willing to help. And just as a reminder, the 160-page example I gave of the hardcover case wrap earlier, that was $34.35. So that'll kind of give you an idea of the spend that you can incur. If you're interested in checking out the options that we have for print-on-demand yearbooks, then head over to express.lulu.com and you'll be able to see all of our ranges of formats and sizes to choose from. If you have any questions, then leave them in the comments below. Have a great day and subscribe. We'll see you next time.